Hi guys, back with another video. And this video will be a little different as I'll be taking you along with me throughout my day. But the main point of this video is to explain why I will not be getting rid of my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So, I'm sure you're probably thinking, well, why would anyone be getting rid of such a nice phone anyway? But this phone means more to me than the average person.
Gracie's corner too. Oh my gosh.
This is the phonics song. Got us reading all day long. This is the phonics song. Phonics song. What sound does that letter make?
Me getting this particular iPhone started my content creation journey, and I'm so happy I started. I'm nowhere near where I want to be, but I'm extremely proud of myself for staying consistent with something for a whole year. I've always wanted to start YouTube, but could never commit for multiple reasons. All my life, I've always felt different than others, and I know that sounds cliche to say, but I'm serious. I've always had a love for gaming and tech. I would spend hours watching videos on YouTube on both, and would think to myself, I wish I could post videos, but would get discouraged because I didn't feel qualified or didn't have the tools to do so. About 4 years ago, I started posting small clips of me playing video games like Fortnite and 2K, and got discouraged because I lacked confidence in what I was doing, and by that I mean playing video games and posting them on YouTube. Where I come from, most females don't do things like that, so I started feeling a little insecure about it. Not to mention, not too long after I started posting, I found out that I was pregnant with my son Robbie, who I'm so grateful for. The process of pregnancy and becoming a mother shifted my whole life to the point that that's all I could focus on, and I lost myself in a way I felt hopeless. Through that process, I came out better in a way that made me want to go harder for my son in any way that I can, so that I can provide a life that I never had. So I know you may ask, well, what does this have to do with you not getting rid of your iPhone? I've had every iPhone except the iPhone 13 for the simple fact that I've always loved Apple, and I've always wanted to have their latest products because they genuinely make me happy and make my daily life easier. I've been a person who loved iPhone accessories as well. Anyone who knows me knows that I love cases, and I've owned so many that I couldn't even begin to count. So accessories are not unfamiliar to me, but posting unboxing and reviews are. In my first year posting videos on social media, I've had the opportunity to work with multiple brands that have sent out products for me to review. And I know these are small things to other YouTubers, but to me, I'm so grateful to have had the opportunity. My iPhone 14 Pro Max has been my workhorse this year, where I've been shooting, editing, and filming content on the same device. As I said previously before in another video, this phone literally changed my entire view on life and consistency. Getting this phone taught me so many things, but if I were to shorten it, I would give 3 words: consistency, resilience, and patience. As I said before, I'm nowhere near where I want to be, but I'm so happy that I started. As the saying goes, it's not how you start, but how you finish. With that being said, If there's anything that you want to do in life, please just start. You'll never know what can happen if you never try. I'm saying this to you all, but I'm also saying this to myself. If you've made it this far in this video, thank you so much for watching. And to all who have subscribed, I can't thank you enough. Wishing you much success and happiness in whatever you want to do in life. Alright guys, see you next time.